Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the holistic health coach. Have you ever noticed why the same problems keep coming back in our life again and again? Same kind of people, same kind of pain, same kind of confusion, different faces, but same story. Is life repeating itself, or are we not learning? Today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar answers this very deeply. Hukamnama Sahib by Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji at Ang 752 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Suhi Mahalla Pehla. Guru Ji says, Jio Aran Loha Pai Pan Kadaiye, which means as iron is melted in the forge and reshaped, त्यों साकत जोनी पाए पवे पवाइये, which means so is the godless materialist reincarnated and forced to wander aimlessly. Now Guruji further says, bin buje sab dukh dukh kamavana, which means without understanding everything is suffering, earning only more suffering. So Guruji says next, Homme ave jaye param pulavana raha, which means in his ego he comes and goes, wandering in confusion and deluded by doubt. Now in chemistry we have learnt when iron is put into intense heat, it melts, it loses its old shape, it becomes soft, and only then it can be reshaped into something useful. But imagine, if the iron refuses to melt, if it says, I will not change, I am perfect as I am, then what happens? It remains hard, it remains unshaped, it remains useless. This is exactly what Guru Sahib Ji, Guru Nanak Dev Ji is saying in today's Hukamnama. The heat in our life, problems, pain, rejection, failure, they are not punishments. They are life's furnace. But what do? We resist, we blame, we stay in ego, homme. I am right, they are wrong, why me? And because of that, what happens? We don't melt, we don't transform. We repeat the same cycle again and again. Now look at the life closely. A person keeps saying all people are bad, but actually he or she never change his or her own patterns. A student says, I am unlucky, but doesn't change habits. A family says there is no peace, but no one drops the ego. So what happens? Same lesson again, same pain again. Life hits you again and again, not to hurt you, but to wake you up. So I repeat, life hits you again and again, not to hurt you, but to wake you up. If we don't change inside, the same situations will repeat outside. This is so true and so profound. A man went to a coach and said, my life is full of problems. The coach smiled and said, your life has only one problem. You don't learn. So, what should we do? Very simple but very powerful. When pain comes, don't ask, why me? Ask, what is life trying to teach me? What is life trying to teach me? When conflict comes, drop ego for a moment. When mistake happens, accept, learn, shift. That is transformation. That is melting. So today I leave you with the small but life-changing assignment. Take one repeating problem in your life maybe in your relationship, health, habit, any other area. Then write, what is repeating again and again? Then further write, what am I doing same each time? What small change can I make now? So do this, and if you do this honestly, your life will start shifting. Life is not against you. Life is shaping you, but only if you are ready to melt. Otherwise, the same fire will come again and again. So today, choose understanding over ego, learning over blaming, transformation over repetition, and watch. Your life will not repeat, it will rise. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Sarbat Da Pala, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.